Alrighty, here we are at 11432 Beehive. I'm gonna go ahead and do a virtual walkthrough tour for you. Starting off here in the entrance. A half bathroom right off the start. Coat closet. Very nice hardwood floors throughout. New carpet as well. There's no overhead lighting in this living room, but very spacious. And coming in here to the dining and the kitchen. Okay. Stainless steel appliances, new countertops, cabinets, and even like this beautiful, like, I don't even know what you want to call it. It's just an extension of the kitchen, but it's got skylights and then even a window out to the deck. It's stunning. And here's where your dining room table would be. We'll do a little peek out to the deck. It's raining and I don't want to get the booties wet. And we will go downstairs. Get a new carpet. That's what they have the mats on. Yeah, I'm gonna squeeze by you. Down here in the basement. Okay, again, brand new carpet. It's beautiful. Do have a full bathroom down here as well. Okay. And then you do have an unfinished part of the basement, which is going to be your utility room. It's a washer, dryer, water heater, and HVAC system. Okay. Sorry, just turning off the flashlight. And then you even got space underneath the deck here, which is quite spacious. And a solid yard. This here under the stairs, it's just storage. Oops. You're in bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2, a little bit bigger than the last one. Here's our closet space. Okay. And I'll sneak back here real quick. This is the master bedroom. Beautiful windows out here for some natural light when it's not a rainy day. Here's the bathroom. This is an ensuite to the primary. Okay. And then giant walk-in closet. It's probably the biggest closet we've seen.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a good closet.
Yeah. And then you got another hall bathroom here. So this is the one that would be shared amongst the other bedrooms. Okay.